Looking for a refillable ink tank printer that handles everything from everyday documents to high-quality photos? Today we're comparing the Canon Pixma G620 and the Epson EcoTank Photo ET-8500 to see which one comes out on top. So the Canon Pixma G620 is a single ink mega tank printer with dye-based inks that deliver bright, vibrant photo quality prints with excellent color accuracy and smooth gradations, especially for reds and skin tones. It's great for everyday photo printing and creative projects with up to 4800 by 1200 dpi resolution and support for varied media like cardstock, transfers, and magnetic paper. Some of its pros: excellent photo quality, rich colors and smooth tonal transitions, ideal for snapshots and creative printing. Low running costs thanks to MegaTank refill system and large ink yields, Wi-Fi, AirPrint, Mopria, and mobile cloud printing support for easy connectivity, and a built-in scanner and copier for everyday all-in-one use. However, it has slower print speeds, especially for larger photos or text-heavy jobs than some rivals. Basic feature set: no automatic duplex printing, no touchscreen, no multi-tray paper feed, and rear feed only paper handling limits flexibility with thicker media. It's best for photo enthusiasts and home users who want great color reproduction and low ink costs and don't mind taking a bit longer to print. The Epson EcoTank Photo ET-8500 is Epson's premium photocentric ink tank printer using a 6-ink system with photo and gray inks for wider gamut and smoother gradients. Its precision core print head and multiple drop sizes deliver lab quality photos with excellent detail and smooth scales, and it does so much faster than many competitors. Some of its pros: superior photo detail and color depth, thanks to expanded ink set and advanced print engine, faster printing than many MegaTank rivals, including much quicker 4x6-inch outputs, dual trays for photo and plain paper, convenient for mixed workloads, and modern features like touchscreen control, Ethernet, and advanced connectivity. However, it's larger and typically more expensive than basic MegaTank models. Still no automatic document feeder, scanner limits multi-page scanning, and photocentric design means it's overkill if you just need basic document printing. It's best for creators and photo lovers who want fast, premium-level photo prints and more flexible media handling, along with modern usability. So which printers should you pick? In terms of photo quality, the ET-8500 pulls ahead for professional style results with deeper detail, smoother tonal blends, and faster output overall. Great when you care about print sharpness and a richer picture. The G620 still delivers excellent color accuracy and vibrant output at a much lower cost, ideal for casual to frequent photo printing. In terms of everyday and mixed use, the G620 is simpler and more budget-friendly for general home tasks, even if it's a bit slower and basic in features. The ET-8500 gives you dual trays, touchscreen, and faster workflow, good if you frequently switch between photos and documents. The bottom line: choose the Epson EcoTank Photo ET-8500 if you prioritize photo quality, faster printing, and modern usability. Great for hobbyists, artists, and creators. Choose the Canon Pixma G620 if you want low ink costs and solid, vibrant prints at a more budget-friendly price without needing speed or advanced media handling. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.